We will help you like make content on Notion for now, like whatever you
Yeah.
prepared. You can
Whatever I
always,
have, I'll start off with that.
yes,
Like as days pass by, I can keep on
yes,
like changing and
yes.
tweaking.
There is never a satisfaction on the creativity level, and you can never get that perfect start ever. So let the ball get rolling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I have built up my own Notion account. So do I need to share that with
Mhm.
you?
Yes, yes. You only
Yes.
collate everything. Then
Okay,
I'm
let me
sharing.
open my Notion first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Will I share my screen?
yeah.
It's absolutely blank, by the way. Anyway, what next?
Would you like to do so, or will you give me access?
I would like to do it on my own.
Okay. So first off, that my content and writing portfolio, you can simply write it.
Under this like untitled section, I'll just
Yeah.
leave one comment over here, some quirky title. I will like
Yes.
tweak the content and add it afterwards.
Then it will come your photo. Just like
So
photo.
how do
Whatever.
I add the picture over here? I can see a plus
Uh,
sign over here.
yeah, yeah. From
When I
plus,
click into it,
type image. Yeah,
yeah,
image. So you will
now
be
I
able
need
to
to upload
upload.
the image.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can upload link also. So
okay.
you
Add
will
image
upload
next.
it.
For time being, let's upload something like just to have that thing in
Okay,
mind.
okay,
You can ultimately change, right?
correct. Chalo, I'll change it afterwards. Next.
We have to shorten your pic actually.
I will add a short one. I do have a professional
Okay,
picture
okay.
which I add for like all
Okay,
these
okay.
things.
As of now, okay.
Hmm.
Then
Next,
a slash will have your quote.
Type
a,
quote.
It's really
a slash
yeah quote.
quote.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
Then you in
Here,
italic.
add something re- relevant to my service. Yes. Next.
It will be a quote and it will be in italic.
You have to make it italic.
Yeah.
Italics.
Okay.
Next.
Then simply hi hey there. I'm Shobana Pal, like you have written in your
Just
portfolio.
simply copy paste. Yeah. Next.
Next, as of now, you can just simply copy all the materials till check my writing samples.
Yeah. Just a question. All the services which I have added over here, blogs, articles, website content, etc., etc. Can I prepare a separate part for each and show them what are the steps I follow to craft a blog or craft a case study?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And I would actually request you to please include that,
Hmm.
because every person has a different way of approaching the work.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have been guilty of
Hmm.
not sharing this with the client,
Yeah.
and the client was on me like, okay, you yes.
Okay, so how do I do that? Like,
My approach, you add a title and you give
no,
the
no, no, no. I can add that writing part. What I mean to say is, when Shreya was showing me hers, there were parts,
Mm-hmm.
no blocks. Yes, I want to
blocks.
Yeah, yeah.
have those
Box.
blocks. How to
Yeah,
do those?
it's called gallery view. Just simply like you have written, insert
slash
slash.
slash gallery view.
एक
Yeah,
second.
normally
Slash
slash gallery. Yeah, click on
gallery
gallery
view.
view.
Yeah,
Yeah,
over here,
uh,
rename. So,
then rename. Yeah, name it untitled, yeah, blogs. Then you have 3 pages. So
okay.
open. Then
So,
you
what
can
do I do
write
in these three pages?
walkthrough service in the first page, first client work in a second page, and
Yeah.
third client work in the fourth page. And in that, we will write a summary.
1 second. I did not understand this. In the first page, walking the
Walkthrough
client through the
service.
kind of service I that he or she can expect from me.
It's a steps you will take when you write the blog. It's about that.
Okay, that is. Oh, now I understood. So every page will have one step, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. I understood now. Okay, elaborate every step in each page. Done.
Not
Okay.
not
Next.
in each page. It's like in page one, you will just tell your client if
Hmm.
they will open this page, they will
Hmm.
know ki, okay, this is the step she took in when she approached a
Okay.
work. And from
Okay.
second page onwards, they
Huh.
will see your client works. like you have done
So,
for
yes.
Connect Clinic
Hmm.
and 11 signs, a price
Hmm.
high. So
Hmm.
in
Hmm,
the
hmm.
second and third page, then you will directly show your client works.
Okay, okay, I got it now. Just a second.
And in that too, if you can just wrote it like take a note, even the title you can, if you want, make try to make it catchy so
Yeah,
that
from
people would
customer
want to click on it. So, example, how I get first 100 sales, my SEO
care.
strategy, something like that.
Okay,
So, it would be,
okay. I understood now. Yeah, I want to have one like separate blocks for each of my services,
yes,
because if you check my write up right after the list of services, I have come up with a section which says how I can help you.
yeah,
Obviously, every service has a different type of a strategy which I follow.
yeah, but
It's not the
overall,
same for all. After I add the stages for each and every service, I don't think this how I can help you is required.
no, it won't be.
Hmm. Next.
Why should you choose me? I think people would able after you will have shown your work, then they
Hmm.
would know if they should hire you. Or you can put it also as you are freelancing. So just why should you choose me in a heading one?
Okay, so how do I do that?
Just slash and heading one,
Heading one. Okay.
and why should you choose me in? And under that, you can simply put all these things and make
Okay.
it more descriptive and all
Yeah,
like
I can elaborate it a little bit more. Even I
uh,
think I should change the title. Why should you choose me? Like it looks very flat. A lot of
then
brainstorming is required for this one portfolio.
Yes, but trust me, it will be worthy.
in Notion portfolio the most of the time doesn't go in like collating and writing because you already have done it. The mainly the time goes in headline about and
Yeah,
all the other things, giving
like how I
headings, giving
present
good
myself.
headings.
Hmm.
Yeah, so most of the time will go in that, and most of the headaches come there only.
After why choose me, I don't think check my writing samples is required because I am adding the writing samples in the services itself. No,
Yeah, yeah, it won't be required. Check my writing sample is actually for after you will write about, and about you will write a line through which people know, okay, if you want to know my work, and below are
like
the sections you can.
you mean to say at the end of every section there must be one line that should lead to the second section.
No, 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 no. Just in starting,
That's
just
yeah.
yeah.
After
What do
right
you
after,
get from me?
huh?
Where you have written, what do you get from me? Line will be enough. What people will see further, like see my work. Like
I
that.
got it.
People have simply written it also. Click the tiles to know more about the projects.
Okay, so you mean after this there must be a line, right?
Yeah, no, that line, what do you get from me, is something which will make people understand,
You want
okay,
me to
what do you
change
get
that
from.
line or keep it
Yeah,
as it is and
change
make
that.
it more,
Change
yeah,
that line.
make it more
If that,
interesting. Yeah,
yeah, make it more interesting. Like, take a look at my portfolio to see what I have achieved so far, or
yeah.
simply click the tile to know more about a project.
Okay.
And whatever screenshots you have as client feedback or whatever results
Hmm.
you get, please do
Hmm.
attach. In fact,
Hmm.
I think feedback should be another title, like
Yeah,
another
it will be in another title altogether.
Okay, so
another
where do
tile,
I put that?
After your all gallery view and other thing, then you
feedback.
can mention it. Yeah, your feedbacks, your work. Same like you've been here.
So here should
You
be
can
client testimonial.
Hmm.
name it such as moments of praise.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Whatever.
And Shreya, we can embed videos, screenshots,
Yeah,
PDFs, anything.
everything you can do.
Even if you have consulted, like, do you have any top mate reviews kind of thing or any page kind of reviews?
No, I do not have any top mate kind of reviews. I do have LinkedIn recommendations.
Yes, you can add the LinkedIn recommendations, WhatsApp
Uh,
screenshots, videos.
Yeah,
yeah,
those are the things I
just
have.
it would be better if you like just collate like LinkedIn recommendations, one page. Second page
Acha,
would be
acha,
video
acha.
What? Huh.
testimonials.
Third,
Uh-huh.
WhatsApp
Third
screenshots.
page, screen image testing images
One
simply.
LinkedIn recommendation page.
Page
Hmm.
two,
Video testimonials, unfortunately, I do not have any.
it's fine.
Clients are not willing to do it. I asked a few of them, but they all said
Shromona,
no.
I told you what is the hack of getting it.
Yeah, taking like recording screens.
Yes.
Hmm.
Uh, Screenshots or simply images you can write
Hmm. Hmm.
there.
Okay.
If you have TalkMate link or Calendly something.
Calendly, I had one last month only. Like I experienced a huge fraud, and after that, I closed it.
Don't worry, फिलहाल के लिए we will help you. Like
Tag
either
Mango.
Tag Mango or Cal.app, in which you
Huh.
can easily schedule a call, like with your clients.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Just make a block or link there, like okay, scheduler to be put.
Please
Yeah.
scroll up about.
About section.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah.
After quotes,
Hmm.
we will put your links, LinkedIn and your calendar or TalkMate.
LinkedIn का भी link
After the
लगा
quote.
कर देखो, then you will get to understand how to hyperlink thing.
हाँ ठीक है चलो let's do it. Let me open my LinkedIn.
And one will be in the last.
Last maybe, because after somebody has gone till last, then also the CTA should be there. Connect
Is
email.
it linked to page?
No, no.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Simple link.
आप LinkedIn लिखो LinkedIn.
अच्छा 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 एक second.
Then we will have that.
हाँ
Okay, select it.
yeah.
Control के यहाँ
Then
hyperlink.
yeah,
Yes. हो
that's
गया.
it. And
Okay.
then same way, as of now, let's repeat this link.
Resume.
Hyperlink this also.
Yeah, I'll do it
Yes,
of
yes.
my
Yeah.
resume itself.
After LinkedIn, there is a dot thing.
Yeah, on the left hand side there's a dot. When I go there,
Yeah,
it says drag to move.
drag to move. Yeah, so we have in the resume, drag it till the end, till very end. Keep dragging.
On the right.
Yeah, on the right. Keep dragging. Keep dragging. Yeah, release it.
Okay, okay.
Same. Scroll down.
Till the end.
Yeah, till
Yes.
the end. Like simply, we will have heading one.
Contact.
Let's connect. Yeah, contact for more detail. Or let's connect.
Hmm.
Then same way we will here your email and
Where?
call.
After this.
Yeah, after this
Yeah.
email
Hmm.
and call. We will hyperlink this also only.
Okay, so how do I hyperlink email and call?
Same way you have did that
No,
LinkedIn.
no, I understand the hyperlinking process. Like, which page do I hyperlink this email and call to?
Just simply select.
Which one?
Just
Email. Yes.
select email. Yeah, give
After
the
that,
link.
link
Yeah,
Write your email.
right. Mhm. Yeah,
and call.
same way for the call also.
Okay, so call also. Um,
Hyperlink.
select plus. Right.
You got the basic gist, right?
Yeah, I understood now. I understood where I have to like make the necessary changes. How much I have to change. I understood it.
Mhm.
You will take
Yeah,
good 2 to 3 days to do it, because
हाँ
you need
हाँ, this will
yeah.
take time.